Written communication plays a huge role in healthcare. It's not just about documenting patient information or writing reports. It's about making a real difference. Whether you're updating a patient record, sharing clinical findings, or crafting policy briefs to guide decisions, how you communicate can change outcomes. In this video, we are going to break down why well-written communication matters in healthcare and share some practical tips for writing policy briefs that actually get attention and drive change. Let's start with the basics. Clear and concise writing is a must. No one has time for confusion, and in healthcare, mistakes can have serious consequences. Cut out the jargon, or at least explain it if you're writing for non-specialists. Clarity and conciseness. Know your audience. Writing for patients is different than writing for other healthcare professionals. Tailor the language to fit whoever's reading it. Structure matters too. Use headings and bullet points to make things easier to navigate. And don't forget, back up your points with solid evidence. Use data and references from studies or official guidelines. Structure and evidence. Always be mindful of cultural sensitivities and keep ethics at the forefront. Respect diversity and protect patient confidentiality. Tips for writing effective policy briefs. Now let's get into policy briefs. These are short, targeted documents that push for specific policy changes or decisions. Identify the issue. Start by laying out the issue. What's the problem? Why is it urgent? Your goal is to make decision makers understand why they should care. Next, add some background. Give a quick rundown of the context. Throw in some relevant data and explain who's impacted by the issue. Show the evidence. Use research and examples, but don't overwhelm people with details. Stick to the highlights. Outline a few policy options. Explain what each one involves, along with the pros and cons. And here's the kicker. Recommend a specific course of action. Make sure your recommendation is clear and actionable. Make a clear recommendation. Grab their attention with a compelling title and a short executive summary. You want busy readers to get the gist in seconds. Keep your tone professional but accessible. Don't bury your main points in technical jargon. Use visuals, charts, graphs, infographics. They help people understand your message quickly and make your brief stand out. Lastly, don't skip the review. Proofread, polish, and get a second opinion if you can. A little extra effort goes a long way. Good written communication isn't just a skill, it's a necessity. When you know how to craft a strong policy brief, you're not just filling out paperwork, you're shaping the future of healthcare.